Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, October 2nd, 2013. Thank you all for tuning in. Let's jump right into the charts. We're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are trading lower this morning by about 12 points this morning. Decent decline. Futures did catch a little bit of a rebound to cut those losses, but they are back down again. So we'll see if these futures make a move lower today. We did get a little bit of a rebound yesterday in the major stock indexes, but again, that was just temporary. Looks like the debt ceiling news played out yesterday, and the markets caught a little bid from it. But overall, markets look pretty weak again today. The big news this morning, obviously coming out of the private sector ADP job report, which said that the private sector added 166,000 jobs in the month of September. That's really a number that was below estimates. Not a very good number whatsoever, but nonetheless, it is what it is, and we'll just take it at that. So a disappointing number there. You also have news coming out of Europe today. I believe Mario Draghi held his key interest rate at 0.5%. So it looks like you have some weakness going on in the German DAX today. German DAX is down about, I believe, a little over 0.5%, down about 0.5% at the moment. French CAC 40 is down about 0.6%. Italy and Spain are both rallying. Italy's rallying on the back that Silvio Berlusconi's party will back the current party, and that market has been very, very erratic, but it is getting a bid today, up about 0.8%. So that's what we're seeing at the moment. There are some stocks today that are in the news. One stock is GPN, ticker symbol GPN, Global Payments. This stock is catching a good bid. It's a strong move. It's probably going to test its all-time highs, so there's not really much we could do with this name. But around $58, maybe even $59, if it gets up there, that's probably where this stock will stall out. So keep that level on your radar, around $59 if it does get up there. That's a level where Global Payments could stall out and start to pull back. But other than that, it's holding up well today. Stock is strong. I believe they had earnings and they guided higher. So decent little move there. Don't want to fight the market. Always want to go with it. Right now, this stock has a little bit of potential upside, but not all that much. So you don't want to be a buyer up here. But if it gets to around 59, that could be an area where this thing will fade. So we'll have to watch that closely. I believe BlackBerry is also in the news today. Looks like the stock is just coming into more and more trouble. It's catching a little bit of a bid here, but you can see it went down to around $7.80. In my opinion, there's really not much you could do with this name. It's a good day trading vehicle at best, but there's really not much you could do with this kind of an equity that is just all over the place each and every day. Adobe is another stock that will be in the news today. Stock, I believe, missed their earnings, but you can see a sell-off, now a move back up. Again, I don't think there's much upside from here for Adobe. Maybe it goes a touch, to the yesterday's highs or something like that, but really difficult to see this stock get above 52.50. So I think it's more in a range. There's not a lot you could do with it at the moment, but it could be a stock, depending on the pattern intraday today, that could be in play for a couple of day trade scalps. So you'll have volatility in the name. That could be something that plays out. Another one that's going to be in motion today will be Monsanto. Looks like Monsanto came out with earnings. The earnings were whatever they were. I don't know if they were good or bad, but the stock sold off. Now it's come down to around 101. It has rebounded back up. So this is another one that could be a decent day trading play. I have about 3 gap plays that I'm not going to mention right now, but I'll post those up in the chat room. They'll be available at around 9 o'clock in the morning. So if you're interested in the morning gap plays, come on over to the In the Money Stocks intraday stock chat, and those gap plays will be posted up right at 9 o'clock in the morning when you log in. So those are the plays, and these are the stocks that are in motion today. One thing we want to watch today is gold. Gold looks like it's making a rebound. So take a look at spot gold. It's up about $16 at the moment at $13.02 an ounce. So decent little move higher in spot gold. Take a look at the GLD. GLD here trading up to the 125.65 level. Yesterday, the GLD, which is a good proxy for gold, that was closed at 124.59. So decent little pop. You got about a little over $1 bounce in the GLD this morning, and spot gold is rebounding higher by a little over $15. Oil market this morning is somewhat tame. You got flat, unchanged levels on oil this morning. So light sweet crude, which is what we trade here in the United States, that's trading at 102 a barrel, $102 a barrel. I don't know if we can make much out of it. You take a look at the USO, which is a good proxy for light sweet crude, and you'll see that's trading right around the 36.74 level. It closed at 36.68 yesterday. So again, we can't make too much out of it. Oil basically flat today, so we'll watch that closely. Something I think the traders should catch on to eventually, and maybe they want to watch this, it would be the dollar-yen chart. Dollar-yen chart is very, very significant because it holds a lot of weight with the institutional money. Most institutions right now are short the yen, long the dollar. Therefore, they're looking for this chart to go up, and it's a very highly leveraged trade. So when that trade does not work out, that hurts the overall stock markets because they can't take their leveraged profits and put them to work. So again, if the dollar, this is dollar yen, this means the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. When this goes down, it means the yen is strengthening, and that's a negative for the overall stock market indexes. So just something I wanted to share with each and every one of you there, something that we watch here at In the Money Stocks each and every day, and it has helped us quite a bit in our trading, and hopefully it can help you as well. With that said, everybody, I'm going to leave it there short and sweet. Want to wish you all a great trading day, and I'll see you on the charts.